You just follow me, okay? Can you? Hold here, hold here. Don't touch anything. Full body. I take. I tie you.
มีกวางด้วยตรงนี้
Huh?
The deer
ถ่ายให้พร้อมหน่อย You go further back. Keep backward. Hello. Hello. บอกไหม Oh my god. ตั้งใจแกล้งผมใช่ไหมฮะ I mean, this part of town is a town. It's not a mountain. It's a town because there's too many peoples around.
Yeah
So there's still no privacy. And contrary to what people say, you need to wear your, those stuff like that. But you don't need to wear because I'm still wearing my favorite pins and my t-shirt. And I'm with my favorite darling. He's the cutest little darling. Come, I show you. You want to see who's my darling today? Show you now. Yeah, he's my darling. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh, he's very cute darling. Ah. Now my darling go first. Come, I take your picture. Why you run? No need to run lah. Okay, see, this is the part where it's quiet. And you can trek up to the mountains. ชอบไหม darling
ชอบ
สวยนะ แต่ไม่มีคนดีกว่าใช่ไหม
ใช่
ก็มีคนเยอะนะใช่ไหม
I love the bird sound นะ
ใช่ nature ไม่ใช่มอเตอร์ไซค์น่าเบื่อแงง10 ล้อ here is nature this is nature right nature at its finest see you จุ๊บ